Welcome back again for another video, and for this video we'll be key mapping Warzone mobile using Flydigi Apex 2. So we'll be key mapping the multiplayer mode, so let's go! Let's start!
Get ready.
To key map multiplayer, let's do simple drag and drop first. Open Flydigi app, make new, put this on here on the WASD button here, as you can see here. You can change the radius here, and let's add right stick, double click this, choose perspective, and this will be the sensitivity. Adjust this to your liking, confirm, put this on the right side of the screen and avoid overlapping. Let's save this. Any file name you want, confirm. So up, left, right, okay. The right stick, okay. So let's do simple drag and drop. So edit, A is for jump, X is for crouch, Y is for reload, C is for our weapon 1, Z is for our weapon 2, this one on our marker. Save. So A for jump, okay. X for crouch, okay. Weapon 2 Z, okay. Weapon 1 C, okay. So let's press the left D-pad.
Vámonos.
See, double press.
Got movement.
Okay. So that's it for simple drag and drop. So for fire and scope, make sure that the button for fire and scope is at the left side of the screen. So it's crucial that your fire button and the scope button is at the left side of the screen. So for fire button, Flydigi app, edit, left trigger is our scope,
Large caliber rounds here.
click normal, confirm, and the right trigger, put this on our fire button, double click this, it should be click normal. It's up to you if you want to make it click continuous, max this, but I normally use click normal. So save. So let's press and hold the scope button. See, right trigger, okay. So I did a video on how you set up the gyroscope for the Flydigi Apex 2 here in Warzone mobile. So this is the video, so you can watch that for my motion sensor or gyroscope of the Flydigi Apex 2. So if you want to know how to set up the gyroscope or the motion sensor of the Flydigi Apex 2, you can watch this. You can watch that video. So let's key map the map. So there's two ways on how you key map the map. So open first the map. Open Flydigi app, edit. Let's see, down D-pad. Double click this. Choose click normal, confirm, put this on here, X, and add another button. Down D-pad again, put this on here, double click this, choose fly mouse, click to open, and this will be the sensitivity for motion sensor of the Flydigi Apex 2, and this will be the sensitivity of the right stick. Confirm, save. Let's close this. So if you press once the map or the down D-pad, see, and if you press again the down D-pad, there you go. So there's another way on how you key map the map. So open the map again, open Flydigi app, edit. So let's say down button again. So this is the second way on how you key map the map. Double click this, choose click instant, confirm, put this on the X here, and make another D-pad, down D-pad, double click, fly mouse, press and hold to turn on. This is sensitivity for motion sensor of the Flydigi Apex 2, and this will be the sensitivity for right stick. Confirm, put this at the middle of the map. So let's add the third down D-pad, double click this, so click by release, confirm, put this on the X here. It's okay to overlap this one. Save, close this. So if you press and hold the down D-pad, the map will appear, and as you can see, I'm using the motion sensor to move the cursor, and you can also use the right stick to move the cursor. So if you want to exit the map, just release the down D-pad. So there you go for the map key mapping. So for bag, same procedure. So open the bag first, open Flydigi app, edit. So let's say right. Put this on the bag, so it will be click normal, confirm. So let's make another right D-pad, double click this. It should be fly mouse, click to open, and this will be the sensitivity for the motion sensor of the Flydigi Apex 2, and this will be the sensitivity of the right stick of the Flydigi Apex 2. Confirm, put this on here, this will be our cursor, and save. Exit the bag. So if you press once the right D-pad, there you go. So you can use the motion sensor of the Flydigi Apex 2, or you can use the right stick of the Flydigi Apex 2. So if you want to exit, you can press again the right D-pad. See, so there's another way on how to key map the bag. Open the bag first, open Flydigi app, edit, right D-pad again, double click this, choose click instant, confirm, put this on the bag here, add another right D-pad, double click this, and choose fly mouse, press and hold to turn on. This will be the sensitivity for the motion sensor of the Flydigi Apex 2, and this will be the sensitivity of the right stick. So this will be our cursor, so put this on here. So add another right D-pad, this will be our last right D-pad. Click this and choose click by release, confirm, and put this on the X here. You can put it on the X here, or you can put it on here, so it's just the same. So let's put it on here on the back. Save, exit the bag. So if you press and hold the right D-pad, there you go. So you can use the motion sensor of the Flydigi Apex 2, or you can use the right stick. So if you want to exit the bag, just release the right D-pad or your bag button. So there you go. So for our throwables, here, so go first to the settings, the throwables here. So choose the throwables, so choose variants, so make sure it's on the direct throw, so that we can only use one button for it. So you can key map any buttons you want for our throwables. Open Flydigi app, edit, so let's use up D-pad. So click this, it should be on click normal, confirm, put this on the throwables. So let's make another up D-pad, click this, choose FPS, sensing shoot, and this will be the sensitivity of our motion sensor, and this will be the sensitivity of our right stick. Confirm, put this at the right side of the screen, and don't overlap buttons. So by meaning of overlapping, you button is on top of each other. So avoid that if you're using motion sensor. So save. So if you press and hold the up the pad, you can use motion sensor and release. See? Of course, you can also do that on the other throwables. So press and hold the up the pad. See? I'm using motion sensor here. And you can also use the right stick. So if you want to throw the throwables, just release the up the pad. See? To keymap run, open Flydigi app, edit. So let's choose extension. So M2. I'll be using the M2 button. Click this. Choose macro, edit, add a button. Here, put this on the. Let's put this in the middle of the WSD button. So click this. Make this 0 and make this 0.105 and choose swipe up and max this to 127. Confirm. Save. So let's press the M2 and it will run. So let's press again M2 and it will run. So if you want to key map the run and then it will slide just like this one. So if you want to key map that with only just one button, here's what you need to do. Open Flydigi app, choose again the M2, the macro that we made earlier, add another button and add here, make this 0.12. The time interval from previous action should be 0.12. So confirm, put this on the crouch button here, save. So if you press the M2, it will run and it will slide. So I'm using one button there. So let's do that again. Let's press the M2 button. So it will automatic run and it will slide. See? That's how you do it. So I really suggest this when you are playing multiplayer. So you can easily evade the bullets of the enemies. So if you slide and you jump, it will cancel the slide. Jump. See, it cancels the slide. Jump. Okay. Jump. See, the jump cancels the slide. See, I think that will be all for this key mapping video, and I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more key mapping tutorials just like this one, DIY tutorials, reviews and other contents. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.